Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring monetization and AdSense are active and linked. This opens ad inventory and reporting. Once done, focus on the metrics that drive CPM, views, watch time, RPM, and estimated CPM, because advertisers bid based on those signals. Make sure to tag and categorize your videos correctly and review audience demographics to attract higher-paying niches. By starting with these essentials and measuring baseline CPM, you create a foundation to raise bids and optimize ad fill. Next, you optimize content and ad placements to increase CPM. Focus on retention. Longer watch time signals value to advertisers, so structure intros and hooks to keep viewers. Then place mid-rolls after natural breaks and choose skippable versus non-skippable ads based on audience tolerance. At the same time, target high-value keywords and niches that command higher bids and keep uploads consistent to stabilize watch patterns. These combined tactics change how advertisers bid and how often higher-paying ads appear on your videos. Finally, you analyze performance and iterate. Check CPM trends weekly, compare RPM and ad impressions, and drill into geography and content-level data to spot patterns. Then adjust thumbnails, titles, upload cadence, and ad formats to test improvements. If CPM falls unexpectedly, consider seasonality, advertiser demand, or changes in viewer countries. Those drive bid shifts. As a troubleshooting tip, test a control video with different ad settings and audience targets to isolate the cause before rolling changes channel-wide.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.